Assalamu alaikum students, be ready. Para IMF Chief Kristalina Georgieva message to Pakistanis to collect taxes from the wealthy shines a light on the country's inequitable tax system, which is the primary source of almost all our economic woes, including an unsustainable fiscal deficit, elevated inflation, a low investment rate, and a frail because of payments position, full stop, inverted comma. I do believe that this is in line with what people in Pakistan would like to see for the country, inverted comma, she said after meeting caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakkad on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly session, full stop, inverted comma. We agreed on the vital need for strong policies to ensure stability, foster sustainable and inclusive growth, priorities revenue collection, and protection for the most vulnerable in Pakistan, inverted comma. She told Pakistani journalists, full stop, inverted comma. What we are asking in our program is, please collect more taxes from the wealthy and please protect the poor people of Pakistan, full stop, inverted comma. Mr. Kakkad was less forthcoming on the gist of his brief discussion with Miss Georgieva, characterizing the meeting as inverted comma constructive, inverted comma, and inverted comma focused on mutual commitments, full stop, inverted comma, para. This is not the first time the IMF boss has urged Pakistan to tax the wealthy to boost its tax revenues, full stop. Back in February, she stated that, in order to function as a country, Pakistan must ensure that its high earners pay taxes and only the poor get subsidies, full stop. Sadly, the previous PMLN-led ruling coalition, like its predecessors, did not heed her advice, full stop. The budget in June failed to address the root cause of the nation's ever dwindling tax revenues, as it slowly avoided bringing under taxed and untaxed sectors such as real estate, agriculture, and retail effectively into the revenue net for fear of a political backlash, full stop. Instead, it chose to increase the tax burden for captive taxpayers, salaried individuals, and the organized corporate sector to meet the revenue goals of the IMF for a new bailout program, full stop. Tax measures incorporated in the budget, such as the distinction made between filers and non-filers, contradict the larger goal of documenting the economic and discourage tax compliance, perpetuating the risks to the long-term sustainability of the country's economic structure, full stop, para. With one of the world's lowest tax to GDP ratio of 8.6%, Pakistan has been running a fiscal deficit of more than 7% for the last several years because of the rulers' unwillingness to expand the tax base, full stop. Little wonder that the country now finds itself in the debt trap, and is always looking for ever shrinking handouts from global lenders to pay its bills and a little money to help its inflation stricken poor. Full stop. It is time that Pakistan's policy makers paid heed to what Miss Georgieva has been asking them to do for the country to be able to become a functioning entity by directly taxing all incomes, irrespective of their source, and reducing indirect taxation. Full stop.